Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. In this problem, here two resistors are parallel and connected to a current ampere source and current dependent source. Now how can you find the voltage Vx? So if you observe carefully here, so the current direction for this upward and for this downward. Now here for the voltage there is signs are given, that is positive, negative. Means current was from higher potential to lower potential. That means current direction in this resistor is nothing but downside. Now according to Node's law, incoming currents equal to outgoing currents. So means incoming is one direction, outgoing is one direction. So this is one direction, nothing but 2A equal to remaining branches having direction is downside, means sum of all the currents in this. In this branch the current is, so here the potential is Vx is there. So it becomes Vx by 10 ohms plus, and here also Vx by 20. In this the current is directly given, that is 0.2 Vx. Now take LCM here, is 20, it becomes 2 Vx plus Vx plus, so 0.2 into 20 nothing but 20 to the 40, so point is there, so 4 Vx, so it becomes 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, so 7 Vx by 20, that's equal to 2. So it becomes 2 into 20 by 7 equal to Vx. So by using calculator we will get Vx equal to 5.714 volts. So this is the required voltage for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.